Hi, this is Kelly Waite-Stapler, Director of Client Services here at Haley Marketing Group, and today I would like to introduce you to the Haley Marketing WordPress dashboard, where you can easily manage your website and all of your Haley marketing tools in one place. Once you've logged into your website, the dashboard is the first thing that you would see. Here, you can access our Help Center for training videos, user guides, and frequently asked questions. Or submit a support ticket to our client success team with any questions that you have about Haley marketing products and services. And simply click to get more product information. Log into your My Haley account to manage your Haley marketing tools like the Career Portal, Team Profiles Manager, Haley Mail, or Talent Showcase. Keep track of how your website is performing with information from our ROI dashboard. Track total visitors, new visitors, job views, and form submissions. Manage your Haley Marketing plugin suite in one place, where you can check how many testimonials you have on the site, how many are published, and how many may be in draft. Or manage the job board, where you can see active jobs, applications, and job mailings sent. Plus, you have access to all of Haley Marketing's free content developed just for the staffing industry, from our latest blog posts, to our podcast, to our Lunch with Haley webinars, where you can register for the upcoming webinars or access our webinars on demand. All of this is available to you with your Haley Marketing staffing website. Don't have a Haley Marketing website? Contact us at 888-696-2900 to get started.